Hi, welcome back to Kind Finder channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make microphone louder on Mac. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Is your MacBook microphone too quiet during Zoom calls, FaceTime, or when recording videos? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I will show you exactly how to make your microphone louder using simple settings that take just a few minutes. No extra apps or expensive equipment required. So if you're ready to improve your microphone volume and sound clearer, I will show you. First of all, you can just open your system preferences or settings on your MacBook. After that, you can go to Sound. From Sound, there's an option like Sound Effects, Output, and Input. Because we want to adjust the volume of your microphone, you can go to Input. Make sure that your microphone device, you choose on the right microphone device. After that, in here you can just adjust, you can manage input volume on your MacBook. If you want to make your microphone louder, so you can adjust to right for this, the level, like this. And in here you can check the input level. And if it's too loud, you can just adjust it to right. And you can see the difference on the input level, right? So if you want to make it louder, you can just slide it to right like this. It's very simple, right? Here, so if you want to adjust, you want to manage your microphone volume on your MacBook, you can just go to your settings on your MacBook and you can go to sound input and you can just adjust your input volume and check the input level in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to make your microphone louder on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.